Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi viewers. Today I'm going to show you English Masterclass, which is how can we make a sentence. So in my previous class I discussed about how what the best structure of a sentence and English language sentence and Bangla language sentence, Bangla language structure. So if you want to make a English language sentence, there is some let's see, which is the subject verb object, but different in Bangla. I was Korta Kormukia. That's mean here is the main base difference. So let's see and how can you make that is though uh, here you can see he ran fast. He moved his decision. She did say in Islam, you lead me, you bring a glass of water for me, and mm, it happened. That's mean a or rival event happen in front me. Okay, so here I make a single sentence. A horrible event, event happen in front of me. So next, write. I write a letter. I write a letter. Okay, so say. So let's say I said, or you can write that you sit here. Okay. So uh, next, stand. Uh, you stand up. Stand up. Okay. There's then loss. I lost my phone. Okay. So then you should okay. You should you should pay you should pay your you should pay your okay you should pay your due. Okay, so this is the basic term of a sentence. That's when you can make a sentence. There's a other way. And if like I meet my friends in the morning, or include we have to include some of the basic rules. Continue. I continue learning English. I continue learning instead. You set up a good plan. Learn. This is the perfect time. This is I learning English or learning is very fun. So the change. You should change your bad habit and lead. Uh, uh, the incident leader. United Islam lead or United Islam is leading the party. Okay, understand. You should understand. You should understand the matter. I'm watching television. I am watching every program. Now I follow all the politician good persons activities because it's okay. So stop in this case. Okay, now you stop in this situation over enough. You should stop now. Okay, create. Don't create don't create any miscreate same and speak frequently English without any doubt or any hesitate. Read attentively, or you should read attentively. Hello, me, or I allow you to permit the exam. I allow you to give the exam. Add. You should add more address in your verification too. Okay. I spent a lot of money. I spent a lot of money for this tool. Grow. The crops this year crops grow better. Okay. We should open the door and walk slowly. You should walk slowly. Win. We win. we win this time. We win the game. Offer he offered me to give a take a chance. Remember, we remember, we remember July 36. Okay, I love we love our parents. Consider, you should consider this matter. Appear in appear. Mm, there are many books appear about July 36 or buy you buy a book. I buy a book. Wait, wait here until I come back, or I wait for you. I'm waiting for you. Serve. We are serving our parents. Die. We can die for our. We can die for. We can die for our country. Okay. Send if father send me some money for to pay my hostel bill. I will. Everybody wants to a good. He builds a nice building. Stay. Stay. Keep. Stay. Okay. You should stay in good position. Okay. So I hope everybody can understand to what I say. And in this particular, I will discuss more even. But actually, in this all kinds of in this all verbs, I use just present individual sentence and past individual. Basically, present individual sentence I use more most sentences. So in the next time we will use some more topic and more sentences include all the stuff. Verbs. So thank you. Stay with me, and I will hope you will be enjoy and beneficial for you. Thank you.